It became state law to allow undocumented immigrants to apply for driver's licenses just last month in the state of New York. A lawsuit is now being filed to challenge it. Our Ben Dennis questioned officials about the law's future, including the state attorney general.
State Attorney General Letitia James and Governor Andrew Cuomo are on the receiving end of a lawsuit challenging the Green Light Bill, which opened the door for undocumented immigrants to apply for driver's licenses.
The enforcement of that is up to the governor of the state of New York. The Office of Attorney General is to enforce the law. We will vigorously enforce the law. We recognize that there's some difference of opinions and some disagreements, but it's important that I believe that there are protections in the law and that it is constitutional.
We asked Attorney General James if her office would provide recommendations to Cuomo's office as to consequences clerks could face if they don't enforce the Green Light Bill.
No, we don't have any recommendations. Right now we are just responding to the papers that we received.
The lawsuit was filed in federal court by Erie County Clerk Michael Kearns on Monday.
Because of that, everything is at a standstill right now. It's at a stay until we get the results from federal, whether this is constitutional or not.
Media reports indicate Monroe County is gearing up for a similar legal fight. Oneida County Clerk Sandy DePerno is reluctant to say if she will enforce the Green Light Bill.
I agree with Mr. Kearns. I think we are caught between a rock and a hard place. Either we're going against state law if we don't enforce it, or if the way it's written now, but I'm not an attorney, we're going to be going against federal immigration law.
DePerno says her staff is not trained to recognize foreign papers needed for undocumented immigrants to apply for driver's licenses.
Unless they're going to provide some type of mechanism for the county clerks to either scan them like they do now and they go someplace and they say yes, they're legitimate, how are we going to know?
Both the Herkimer and Otsego County clerks oppose the Green Light Bill. In Utica, Ben Dennis, Eyewitness News.